Peaked lid fits 2 beer can chickens. Powder-coated protective finish. Weighs 41 pounds, measures 25.25 inches wide by 21.5 inches high by 18.5 inches deep. AC/DC, portable power anywhere. Includes both cords. Flat lid, limited interior height. Powder-coated protective finish. Weighs 42.5 pounds. Measures 24 inches wide by 15 inches high by 20 inches deep. AC power only. 4.5-foot attached cord. £8.5-pound fuel hopper. (256 square inches of cooking surface). Included upper rack. Easy to clean porcelain-coated steel cooking grate. 2-piece stainless steel fire baffle. Allows direct flame and sear mode. Removable steel burn pot. 7-pound fuel hopper. (256 square inches of cooking surface). Easy to clean porcelain-coated steel cooking grate. Included upper rack. 2-piece stainless steel fire baffle allows direct flame. Bolted in stainless steel burn pot. (165 to 500 degree temperature range). Sear mode for temperatures over 500 degrees. Timer mode. Dual meat probes. 200 to 475 degree temperature range. Smoke runs at 180 degrees. High runs at 500 degrees. Prime button. Single meat probe. Not included, sold separate. Three to 3.5 minute startup time. Moderate to heavy smoke intensity. Hits 500 degrees in 8 minutes. Holds temperature precisely within 1 to 2 degrees. 6-minute startup time. Moderate to heavy smoke intensity. Hits 500 degrees in 30 minutes. Holds temperature well within 1 to 5 degrees. Holds 12 burgers or 24 hot dogs. Included warming rack. Slight temperature difference from left, right, and center. Holds 12 burgers or 24 hot dogs. Included warming rack. Slight temperature difference from left, right, and center. AC and DC portable power. 256 square inches of cooking surface. Precision temperature control. Holds temperature within 1 to 2 degrees. Sear at 500 degrees plus. Goes down to 165 degrees. Dual meat probes. Weighs 41 pounds. Side carrying handles. Stainless steel lid handle. Peaked lid offers maximum interior height. 110-volt AC power only. 256 square inches of cooking surface. Holds temperature within 5 degrees. Takes 3 times as long to reach 500 degrees. Goes down to 180 degrees. Louder in operation. Meat probe not included. Weighs 42.5 pounds. Includes lightweight cover. Plastic lid handle. Flat lid offers limited interior height.